sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, 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 don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come home to you. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, 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 don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me till I come home to you. I'm so afraid the plans we made beneath those moonlit skies will fade away. You're bound to stray and the stars get in your eyes. So don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come home to you. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come swinging home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. Anyone else but me. No, don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me till I come swinging home. Just got word from the girl who heard from the girl next door to me. The boy she met just loves to pet and fits you to a T. So don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me till I come swinging, really swinging. I'll come swinging home. He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was a top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he could not jam. The captain seemed to understand, because the next year the cap went out and drafted a band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. A root, a toot, a tootly out a toot. He blows an A to the bar. In boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing with him. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. He was some boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. When he played boogie woogie bugle, he was busy as a busy bee. When he played, he made the company jump A to the bar. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. And I doodly out, doodly out, doot doot. He goes A to the bar. He can't blow a note of a bass and guitars with him. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. The boys will sleep with boogie every night and wakes them up the same way in the early